Welcome to SRS Math Academy. Today we are discussing about class 6 CBSE chapter number 3 playing with numbers exercise 3.1. In that question number 1, write all the factors of the following. A24. So he is asking about factors. So 24. So 24 equals to 1 into 24. 1 is also factor, and 2 12 is 24, and 3 8s are, and then 4 6 are, then 7 not coming, and 8 not coming, 9 not coming, 10 not coming, 11, again 12 will repeat, 12 into 2, and 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So these are the factors for the 24. Again 24 into 1 will come. So in that, hence factors of 24 are, so in this already the 12 is repeated here and the 24 is repeated here, and again here one more factors also we write, that is 6 into 4. So 6 4 repeated here. So only we take one time. So that is factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 8, 12, and 24. So these are the factors of 24. The next is B, that is 15. So 15 factors is equal to 1 into 15, and 3 table, 2 table not counting, 3 table, 3 5 is 15, and 5 table, so reverse, 5 into 3, and 4 table also not counting, and 6 table, 7 table, 8 table, 9 table, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, again we come in 15 table only, so that is 15 1 ja. So the factors are here 1, 3, 5, 15. These four are the factors of 15. Next problem is 21. So for the 21, 1 job. So 2 table not coming, 3 table, 3 7 is 21, 4 table not coming, 5 table not coming, 6 table not coming, 7 table, 7 3 is 21. So that's it, and again 21 job. So factors are 1, 3, 7, 21. These four are the factors of 21. Next to D, 27. That is 27 equal to 127 ja. So in 2 table 27 not coming. 3 table 3 9 ja. 4 table not coming. 5 table not coming. 6 table not coming. 7 table not coming. 8 table not coming. 9 table again coming. 9 3 ja. 10 table, 11 table, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 not coming. So 27 was that. So factors are 1, 3, 9, 27. These four are the factors of 27. The problem is 12. So 12 equal to 112 ja. 2 6 are, and 3 4 is 12, and 4 table 4 3 are, and 5 table not coming, 6 table 6 2 are, and again 12 1 are. So the factors are, some are repeated here. So factors are 1 2 3 4 6, and after 6 12. These 6 are the factors of the 12. Next number is 20. That is 120 ja, and 210 ja. So in 3 table not coming, 4 table 4 5 ja, 5 table 5 4 ja, 6 table not coming, 7 table not coming, 8 table 9 table 10 table again coming, 10 table 10 2 ja, 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 again it will come in 20 21. So factors are here 1 comma 2 comma and after 4 5 and 10 20. These are the factors. And G 18, 18 equal to 1 18 ja, 2 9 ja, 3 table also 3 6 ja, 4 table not coming, 5 table not coming, 6 table 6 3 ja, and 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18 again it will come, 18 1. So factors are so 1 2 3 6 18. So next step H, that is 23. You know 23 is a prime number. There is only two factors, that is 1 and itself. 23 equal to 123 ja, and 23 equal to 23 1 ja. So factors are 1 comma 23. And finally 36. So 36 equal to 136 ja, and 2 18 ja, and 3 12 ja, and 4 table 4 9 ja, 5 table 6 table 6 6 ja, 7 table 8 table 9 table 10 table 11 table 12 12 table 12 3 ja, 13 14 15 16 17 18 18 2 ja, 8, then again 36 1 ja. So here factors are 1 2 3 4 6 12 18 36. So these are the factors of these are all the problems. For more videos, subscribe SRS Maths Academy.